Abrasive. Abrasive. 1. Having a rough surface. 2. Rude and unkind. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Sarah who had an abrasive personality. She was always sharp with her words and never hesitated to speak her mind, no matter how hurtful it may be to others. Her colleagues at work avoided her as much as possible, but she didn't seem to care. One day, Sarah found herself on a team project with a man named Jack. Jack had a reputation for being easygoing and kind, and Sarah was determined to be as abrasive as possible with him. However, to her surprise, Jack didn't respond to her insults and instead remained calm and patient with her. Over time, Sarah noticed that Jack's positive attitude was rubbing off on her, and she started to soften her abrasive demeanor. She became more considerate of others and learned to express herself in a more constructive manner. Sarah was grateful for the change in her personality and realized that Jack's kindness was the reason for it. She apologized for her abrasive behavior and thanked him for showing her a better way to communicate. From that day forward, Sarah was no longer known for her abrasive personality, but for her newfound kindness and compassion.